So, are you using AI or is AI using you? Many people are just stuck in an endless loop of writing basic prompts and getting generic results. It feels chaotic. It's not revolutionary. Yeah, they get some good stuff sometimes, but not always. It's not consistent. The problem isn't the AI, it's a lack of a system. Today, I want to talk a little bit about our flagship program, the AI Transformation Method. It's a path from beginner to expert. So, what is AITM? It's a playbook, how to make AI work for your specific job, for your role. We start this thing, we call it week zero because we're geeks and we zero index, but we start with a role plan. The AI and you develop a whole litany of things that you do in your job. We start with 8 different role competencies, things that you worry about in your job. And then for each of those 8 deliverables, so you wind up with an 8 by 8 matrix, 64 different things that probably cover 95% of your job if you do it right. And that's the gray belt. This is a belted system. We go from white to black. The white belt is how do you interact with AI? Now, I don't know if you're aware, but most people that they type something in, they get some text back. But you can put text in and get an image out. That's getting better. You can put text in and get a file out or a computer program. It's really good at programming, actually. You can also do it the other way around. You can put an image in and ask it to describe the image to you, or give it a file and ask it to analyze the file. And my favorite, voice to voice. You can actually have a conversation with your AI. You do it on your phone or on your computer, depending upon what kind of program you have. But you can actually talk to it and you can get it to give you feedback. That's the white belt. The yellow belt is how to use AI as your prompt engineer. Now, everybody talks about prompt engineering. And I can tell you from my experience, AI is a much better prompt engineer than you or I will ever be. And you simply ask it, you say, hey, I want to do this. Give me a prompt to do it. And you might go back and forth a little bit. But that's the yellow belt. How do you use AI as a prompt engineer? The orange belt is now solving problems with AI. You run into a problem, you say, hey, how can AI help me? That's a really great hack, by the way. The green belt is building AI assistants. The world has gone nuts with AI assistants and AI bots, and we teach you how to create prompts that can do the kinds of things, the repetitive tasks that you need to do. The blue belt is building a set of KPIs, key performance indicators. Those are metrics that should drive your performance in your job, your role, your company. And then we ask experts from around the world, world-class experts, how to solve those kinds of problems. The purple belt talks about the future. What was your life like before you had AI? What's it like now? And what's it likely to be, I don't know, 2, 3, 5 years from now? Things are changing so fast. But try to anticipate the future. Try to think about where you need to be to meet that. You remember Wayne Gretzky, right? One of the greatest hockey players ever. He said, you got to skate to where the puck is gonna be, not where it is. The brown belt is AI as a professional services agency. We talk about AI insourcing. Many places outsource things or have in the past to consultants. Well, you can now insource that stuff by leveraging the power of AI, and we teach you how to do that. And finally, the black belt is AI as your automation partner. How do you build automations and APIs using AI? So whether you're just starting out or you're ready to lead your company's AI strategy, the AI transformation method provides you with a roadmap. It turns chaos into clarity, risk into security, and random acts of AI into measurable results. If you want to start your journey, check out the link in the description below. I'd be happy to chat. Thanks, and have a grateful day.